So today we're gonna be finishing up this tree right here. Well, either way, we have our Stihl MS251-C. We're gonna be cutting the main portion of the tree with it, and then we also got the Stihl Km-130R, or for the algorithm 131, you know, featuring the extension pole and then the chainsaw attachment head. I don't know what it's called. It's like HRT-KM or something like that. Okay, let's quickly cut this baby down. Look how bad that is, dude. It's horrible. But first time, whatever. Gotta get those scenic shots. What a day. What sucks is that I don't really have a lot of time to clean all this up, but we're gonna make do. Tripod's also broken, which sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do to make videos. I take back about what I said about the extension pole. I think kind of sucks. It's making things a lot harder, so I'm taking it off. What's crazy is that a couple of years ago, our house got egged. And at first, when this thing fell out of the tree, I thought it was like, you know, a bird egg. But then I looked at the size, I was like, wait, no way. Turns out when these guys are egging the house, one of the eggs got stuck in the tree and it survived. This is what's left, which is like insane. Check this out. I also found some roofing nails that the roofers left behind when they were doing the roof. What an exciting day. I forgot what MS chainsaws make, but that's fine. We got stuff for this. All this, so all that's left, clean all this up, shove it in there, clean all that up, shove it in there, and maybe in the future we'll do a stopper removal. But for now I'm tired, and that's it. So we're at the conclusion for today's little redneck video. I guess you kind of see how everything worked out. Yeah, thanks for watching. I know I did a lot of stupid things. I look kind of careless with the chainsaw, but in reality I'm being very careful while being careless. So yeah, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, give me some tips, or maybe you don't like anything, maybe you like something. But have a good night. God bless. Bye.